How to format and erase all content and settings on your MacBook Air or MacBook Pro M4, M5. Now first we go to the menu at the top here and click on the Apple icon. Then click on System Settings. In here, from the pop-up, go to the left hand side and click on General. Next we go to the right hand side here and then we scroll down and click on Transfer or Reset. At the top here, click on Erase All Content and Settings. Now put in your password or passcode and then click on Unlock. Now if you have signed into your Apple account or Apple ID, you will also need to sign up first. Then click on Continued. Then click on Erase All Content and Settings. Now because I have already signed out, so it didn't ask me to sign out again. And that's it. Now your computer is gone ahead and reset itself. Okay, once it has finished, you should see this screen here where it says Activate Mac. Select Wi-Fi network or from the menu or attach a network cable to proceed. So to complete this process, we need to click on the Wi-Fi menu at the top and then click on your Wi-Fi network. Now put in your password, then click on Join. And here we're just going to wait for your MacBook to activate. Okay, after you have done that, click on Restart button at the bottom. Okay, the computer will reboot.